COVID-19 boosters provide the best defense against Omicron. That's the top finding from a CDC study on vaccine effectiveness that included patients and researchers here in Utah.
This new specialist Jed Bowles shows us this is the first look at just how well the mRNA vaccines work against the Omicron variant.
This data on vaccine effectiveness was gathered from more than 200 hospitals across 10 states, including the Intermountain Healthcare Network. This news should bump up the number of boosters that people get here in Utah this weekend as new COVID cases continue to climb.
So we are in the midst of our Omicron surge. Cases have never been higher.
Dr. Eddie Stenyum, an infectious diseases physician with Intermountain, hopes these findings will encourage those who are fully vaccinated to go get their booster and those who are not vaccinated to get started on the 3-shot series.
And if you go out and get boosted, you'll have very significant protection as we go through this Omicron surge.
The CDC study shows boosters are 90% effective at keeping people out of the hospital, while the 2-shot series is only 57% effective.
If you want to be fully up to date on your COVID vaccination, you need to get a booster dose 5 months after your second shot.
Nearly 60% of all Utahns have received 2 doses of vaccine, but fewer than 25% have received a booster, and fewer than 40% of those who are fully vaccinated have received their booster, while 70% of Utahns over 65 are boosted.
These are Utah patients. These are data that is coming from our communities that we can then reflect back to our public to educate them to understand that, yeah, this isn't just a national study.
The doctor says the Omicron variant makes up more than 90% of Utah COVID infections right now. The Delta variant has virtually disappeared.
It's actually incredibly timely data because if you go out and you get your booster shot, that booster shot will give you immediate benefit within 5 to 7 days.
If getting boosted reduces the number of people hospitalized inside, that certainly lessens the burden on our caregivers who are still dealing with a record number of hospitalizations. For KSL 5 News, I'm Jed Bowles.